Welcome back to day 10 of our 12 days of mindfulness for the holidays. I'm glad you're back as we continue through our journey. And today, we're going to explore the practice of walking in nature. Walking in nature is not just a form of physical exercise. It can be a powerful mindfulness practice that allows us to connect with the natural world and cultivate a deeper sense of presence. During this festive season, we can often find ourselves busy with holiday preparations, and spending time outdoors can help us recharge and reconnect with ourselves. So why is it important to go walking in nature? Research has shown that spending time in nature benefits our mental and emotional health. A study published in the journal Environmental Science and Technology found that individuals who engage in nature walks report lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression compared to those who did not spend time outdoors. The natural environment has a simple calming effect on us and helps to restore our mental energy and improve our mood. And even more so, walking in nature can enhance our creativity and cognitive function. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Utah found that individuals who walked in natural settings performed better on creative problem-solving tasks to those who walked in urban environments. This suggests that nature can stimulate our minds and inspire our thinking. And you might be thinking, but I live in a city. So do I. But I'm fortunate that there is a multi-use trail in between my home and my office. And I walk there to and from work every day. So see if you can find something like that for yourself. The science behind nature and mindfulness, well, that can be understood better through the concept that humans have an innate connection to the natural world. This connection fosters feelings of belongings and well-being. And further research indicates that exposure to natural environments leads to increased feelings of vitality and decreased mental fatigue. And let's not forget that walking in nature encourages mindfulness by allowing us to engage our senses fully. Mindful walking in natural settings enhances our awareness of our surroundings, which leads to a greater appreciation for the beauty of nature and a deeper connection to the moment. That is to say, this practice helps us slow down, observe our thoughts, and experience the world around us in a more profound way. To help you engage in this practice, we'll begin with a short visualization exercise, and if you have the opportunity, I encourage you to go for a walk in a nearby park or a natural setting after this session. If that's not possible, you can visualize your ideal winter walk instead. When you're ready, gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs completely. And then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's begin visualizing. Imagine yourself stepping into a winter wonderland. It could be a snow-covered forest, a peaceful park adorned with holiday lights, or a serene beach with gentle but cold waves lapping at the shore. Wherever you feel most at peace in nature during the holidays. As you imagine this scene, take a moment to notice the details. What do you see around you? Are there snowflakes gently falling? Evergreen trees decorated with ornaments or lights? Or perhaps a beautiful sunset casting a warm glow? Now let's imagine the sounds of the nature surrounding us. Perhaps you hear the crunch of snow underfoot as you're walking, or the rustling of leaves, or the distant laughter of children playing. Allow these sounds to wash over you, grounding you here and now in this moment. As you're walking through your visualization, pay attention to any sensations in your body. Feel your feet connecting with the ground or the snow. Appreciate your muscles moving in rhythm. Your breath showing up cold in the air. Now let's take a deep breath in and smell the cold snow and pines, or perhaps there's a campfire or a warming space nearby, allowing you to appreciate the smell of burning wood. Let's take a deep breath in, inhaling the fresh, crisp air, and exhaling slowly. Letting distractions fade away, we anchor ourselves in this moment of connection with nature. As we finish up, gently open your eyes and return to the space around you. I encourage you to practice walking in nature whenever possible. Whether it's a short walk in a nearby park, a stroll through a neighborhood decorated for the holidays, or perhaps spending time in your garden and your yard. Take time to immerse yourself in the natural world. If you'd like me to join you on a walk, I have a couple walking meditations here on Insight Timer, and I'll be happy to join you. Walking in nature is a practice that can enhance your mindfulness, reduce stress, while fostering a deeper connection to the environment. Engage fully with your surroundings. Create a sense of peace and presence that will enrich your life. Tomorrow, we will explore the practice of embracing silence. This creates space for reflection and insight. I'm glad you are here today, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 11.